Hello children, 11th standard students. Today with the online session for the YouTube session, we will be doing the unit 1 of the snapshot children. Snapshot. We have already finished with the Hornbill book in which 2 chapters have already done it children. And today in the YouTube online session, I am starting with the first unit of the snapshot book of yours. Another that is the supplementary reading book of yours. Okay children. The first chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Okay, children. So here is a story that it's a story of the tribe. Somewhere these tribes, the tribe was Gregorian tribe. Okay, children. The Gregorian tribe, where it was very famous. These tribes were very famous for their, they were known for their honesty, their pride and the integrity. Okay, some like they had the ancestral known tribe, and they were very honest. They were very truth loving people. They were very having a pride in their community, and the integrity was always sustained in their tribe. So here the story is about these tribe people who had lost their integrity, or they have lost in so much because they were very rich. This tribe was very rich during that kind of era, but because of the war that has took place, these people have a very poor condition now. They are very poor right now, and they cannot sustain so much with the money or food and everything. They are at the poor condition. And now we are talking about there are 2 children, that is Morad and Aram, where the Armenian boys. Now these are the tribe and the language is spoken with the Armenian. So these are the 2 boys whose names are Morad and Aram, who were the Armenian boys. They belonged to the Gregorian tribe, which was known for its honesty, pride and integrity since 11 centuries. So it is like since 11 centuries they were having that concept of being the most good people, or the people who were having that integrity. They were pride enough, they were very honest people, so they were known for their tribe. So here they would never take advantage of anybody and would never steal. These are the people known for their truthfulness. They would never steal, they would never take advantage of anyone. Okay, they were once very rich. They were very rich once, and they had their own lands. They are having their own lands also, but they lost everything. Now today their condition is such they do not have anything of their own, and they have all lost this due to the war. So now they are so poor that they found it difficult to even buy food to eat. So this is the truth of their living right now, that they are very poor. They do not have even the food to eat to their full. Okay, one morning Morad brought a horse and took Aram to ride on it. One morning what happened was, between Moran and Aram are the 2 children, and one day morning Morad bought a horse, and they were very he bought the horse and took Aram to ride on it. Aram's uncle Khosrov, okay, Aram's uncle, he was a big man with a powerful head and black hair. He had the largest mustache in the valley. However, he had a furious nature also. He has got a furious nature means बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आना, or something like कुछ बोलना है तो फटाफट बोलना, और furious in the sense कि बहुत गुस्सा होना, short tempered personality. Okay, he would roar at the people. Okay, that is roar at the people means he is not talking, he is roaring at the people. Okay, and make them stop their talking, and he would not listen to anyone. He would just tell himself, and those whoever is talking, he would stop talking, stop them to talk. He was always short tempered and irritable. He was very irritable by the nature. So person like who are very irritating in nature, those who are do not happy in their life, so they become very much irritable, or they will they are roaming around unhappily around, and making others also unhappy around them. Okay, so these kind of people still sustain in the world children. These are some different types of people. Each and everybody is not one and the same. So we have 5 fingers, all the 5 fingers are all different. So these are this is something, the reality of world is each and every human being is different from every other human being. Okay, nobody is having the same nature. Okay, so here what we are saying, his crazy streak had been inherited by Aram's cousin Morad. Now Morad is some of his, वो cousin वाला type आ जाता है, तो उसका something genes के अंदर जाता है, तो that is that kind of nature Morad he is having. Aram doesn't have that kind of nature, but Morad is having, because it is his uncle. तो उसका थोड़ा सा nature, that kind of irritability, that kind of roaring kind of thing, or something that is थोड़ा negativity is there in Morad. Okay, so he also had a passion and was crazy about the horses and riding. Okay children, I just want to tell you something, that is the textbook reading will be done in the Zoom classes. Okay children, right now over here in the YouTube session, I'm just briefing you with the story, so that when I teach you from the textbook, you will be alert. That is, alert in the sense you will be already ready with the concept of the story. Okay children, so I would be taking the briefing of the session of the chapter in the YouTube session, and in the Zoom meetings I will be explaining the chapter from the textbook. Okay, so that the concept, the idea, whatever the story is all about, that idea is already in your mind. So when I teach you from in the Zoom, your concept is clear. You just have to hear the story out, or whatever the summary is. Okay children, so okay, with that thing, so here he's saying that, okay children, so he is saying that he has also a passion and was crazy about riding horses. This Morad was very passionate about riding horses. He liked riding horses very much. Morad had hidden a farmer John Byro's horse in a deserted vineyard. Now, this is very wrong. He had stolen the farmer, that is, the name of the farmer is John Byro's horse. He has stolen his horse and he has kept it away in the vineyard. He used to take the horse out for early morning rides. Now, during the early morning, he used to take the ride of this horse, and he was a wonderful rider. On the contrary, I mean, whatever his nature is, he was a wonderful rider. The horse burst into a fury of speed. The horse, so it's known as a horse. So when Morad is on the back, the horse is also that so happy, is convinced, because the animal is such bitter ki it doesn't allow anyone to sit on its back. Okay, the person who can have a grip of this thing, the horse who can कहते हैं ना कि एक रिश्ता जैसा बन जाता है, whatever, like a bonding is there between the rider. A person who doesn't know riding, that is whoever डर के बैठता है, तो वो the horse is also not comfortable enough. But the rider who is very comfortable and having a bond between that horse and the rider himself, the horse is also happy and he runs in a very good speed. So when Morad is riding the horse, वो horse पूरे full speed पे, he is into the its fury of speed is very much high, and with no time with Morad on its back. So he is very happy riding on Morad back on his this thing. Aram was rather a bad rider. On the contrary, Aram is a bad rider. He always fell off the horse whenever he rode alone. So जब भी when Aram rides on the back of the horse when he is alone, he falls off from the horse, or otherwise Morad takes him along and then it's okay. But if he is alone on the back of the horse, he is going to fall off from the horse. John Byro was a farmer, so the stolen horse of the farmer. He is a farmer, and the name is John Byro. He was an Assyrian. Assyrian means another group of another community wala person. Okay, he had learned to speak Armenian. Armenian means this इनका जो tribe का language है. He is already known to this language. So he can speak Armenian language. Okay, he lived nearby. Now he is living nearby only. He lives nearby only, and he came to tell the narrator's mother. So here he is coming to tell, this farmer has come to tell the narrator's mother that his white horse had been stolen last month. He's saying that my horse has been stolen last month. So I had remained untraced yet. So he's saying, okay, I do not know where my white horse is. He's very sad about it. Might be it's the source of income for some the poor. Why the farmer को वो एक ये नहीं होता, is a big rider or something, but he has kept the horse for his survival. Okay, he has told the family that he knew that they had taken the horse, as the Gregorian type was famous for their integrity and honesty. He's saying that I have come just to your house to tell that my horse has been stolen, but I know your Gregorian tribe is so famous for their honesty, for your pride and integrity, that you cannot do anything like that. But I just want to share that my horse has been stolen. I just wanted to tell you, so that any other source, like if you come to know about something, you can just forward it to me also. Tell me about something about my horse. In the end, the pangs of conscience and overpowered their boyish passion. So the pangs of conscience means, pangs of conscience, children, is the वो गलती का एहसास होना. Okay, the pangs of conscience is you regret what you have done. Okay, so in the end, the pangs of conscience overpowered their boyish passion, and they didn't want to bring a bad name to their proud family. So the boys thought that we do not want to bring a bad name for our family, so we would not do any kind of such work. They got conscious, they got alert that they are doing something wrong, and at the end they returned the horse to the true owner, that is John Byron. Got it, children? This is the end of the story. A short story, but a very like whatever we say, that is the each and every concept will be dealt with the textbook. Here it's only the briefing of the book. It's only the briefing of the story. We have done it, children. And over here, after the next session, I will take it in the Zoom, where I will be taking from the textbook. Everything will be explained from that area also. Okay, children, till then, take care of your parents too, and be safe. Bye, children.